Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Olivier Letert. I'm the CEO of AutoForm. AutoForm has been leading for 30 years the automotive industry in the forming and body-in-white domain. Every car you can see in the street have been using our solution to optimize the process. Our mission is at the process engineering phase to optimize the best scenario to avoid rework on problem at the prototype on production phase. InnovMetric for 30 years have been leading this digital 3D metrology domain. Customers are using InnovMetric PolyWorks solutions to perform the quality inspection of parts subassembly at the pre-production phase. The foundation of our partnership is to change this workflow and to make this quality inspection a virtual quality inspection based on simulation at the process engineering phase. By doing that, customers will enjoy three main benefits. Number one is they will detect quality issue 12 to 18 months before start of production. Number two, we will connect the quality people with the process engineers, and that can reach to a better quality achievement. Third is you will reduce dramatically the cost of rework. So just today in AutoForm domain, body-in-white and stamping, we have demonstrated that by increasing the digitalization process, we can make our OEMs save 5 million euros per project and per year within OEM and suppliers. And the good news is that we don't need to wait for new product. We have today the AutoForm portfolio and InnovMetric portfolio that can bring that value tomorrow to our customers. So let's increase the footprint and the value we can bring to our common customers. Thank you.